In this tutorial, you'll learn how to find articles by doing a keyword search in Academic Search Complete, a multidisciplinary database with thousands of articles on a wide range of topics. From the library's homepage, click on the Databases tab. You can access library databases alphabetically, by subject, or by entering the name of the database you want to use in the search box. On Academic Search Complete's advanced search page, each field has a drop-down menu with several search options. For example, you can search by author or journal title. Leave the drop-down as Select Field Optional to run a keyword search, just as you would in Google. For this example, we'll search for articles about college students and credit cards. Type each keyword into its own search field. Then click Search. Use the options on the left to filter or limit the number of results. For example, you can limit your results to scholarly, peer-reviewed journals, by a specific publication date range, or by subject. Let's filter our results to scholarly journals and set the date range to 2011 to 2012. The number of results will automatically update. To easily browse through the results, hover over the magnifying glass next to the article title to view the abstract or summary if one is available. If the article is available in full text, you'll see an HTML full text or PDF full text link. Click the link to view the article and options to print, email, cite, and more. To return to the results, click on the Result list at the top left corner of the screen. If the full text of an article is not available, click on the Find It button to see if the article is available through another NIU resource or to request it through Interlibrary Loan. For more information about using Find It to access the full text, watch the How to Access Full Text Articles Using Find It tutorial. You have now learned how to find articles by doing a keyword search in Academic Search Complete. For additional help, use the Chat with a Librarian service on the library's homepage to connect with a librarian during our virtual reference hours.